Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, I still think this is very, very clearly a WXY. I think this is three waves up for W, three waves down for X. I believe it's going to make a three-way pattern up, which is an ABC of wave Y, which I still think most likely will take it up to past these previous highs. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I had my Fibonacci retracement on here just to keep an eye on the fib levels, but the fact that it's closing above the 78% tells me that it almost definitely will take out the previous highs, which makes sense because I think this is the A of Y, I think this is the B of Y, and then I think this is subdivision like wave 1, A, B, C, wave 2, and we are most likely in a wave 3, which I do believe this weekly and even daily time frame will continue to make higher highs, higher lows in this wave 3. Wave 3 of C, which is a wave C of Y. Heading down to the daily time frame. Like I said, normally when price closes above the 78%, it almost always takes out the 100%. Now that doesn't mean there may not be some pullbacks, especially on shorter time frames, but I am definitely very, very, very bullish, and I'm definitely looking for longs at the end of three-way pullbacks especially. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, we had a little bit of a gap open on the market on Sunday, and actually price just recently went up there and grabbed that gap. To me, it does kind of look like this could be a wave A, and it does kind of look to me like this could be a wave B. I still think there is a possibility it could go down again for a wave C before it actually continues the uptrend. Now, I'm personally not taking the short because I do see that every single higher time frame is telling us to look for longs, and it does look like it needs to go down and make a wave C, but is it really going to? It could easily just keep on going up, which is why I'm not really interested in shorting it. If it does go down, I will definitely be excited not to go short, but instead to go long at the end of the pullback for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, to me it does kind of look like a wave A. It does kind of look like this is actually an A, this is a B, and this is a C of wave B. But oftentimes what we think is a wave B is actually the continuation of the uptrend. So be aware that if you are trying to go short, you are definitely trading against every single higher time frame. To me, it definitely looks like this may end up going down and making a wave C like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame. Whether or not it's actually going to do it, your guess is as good as mine. If it does go down and make a wave C, then actually for me that's great news because at the end of the wave C, I will definitely be going long for the continuation of the uptrend, and that would make for a very, very nice setup. So I actually do hope it goes down for a wave C, but is it really going to? It definitely could just keep on drifting up, making higher highs and higher lows, especially because we are likely in a wave 3 on the much higher time frames. Wave 3s are supposed to be the biggest, strongest waves of a trend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.